And the last one is one that's I think is very interesting in the long term uh, health of humanity, and can we travel between the stars? And just to put the traveling to the nearest star is incredibly difficult. It's about 300,000 times further away than the sun, and I'll talk a little bit about that star. It's actually even very exciting. The first program we had, which to look for what we call a technosignature, which is evidence of a technological civilization elsewhere, is Breakthrough Listen. This was started in 2015. It was announced at the Royal Society in London by Yuri Milner, Stephen Hawking, who was our principal science advisor until he passed away a few years ago, and Lord Martin Rees, the head of the Royal Society. The idea here is to use a variety of existing radio and optical telescopes, including spacecraft, to look for an intelligent signal. Just to remind everybody, this is called the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. And we haven't, although there's been a couple signals that have been perhaps found, nothing has been confirmed. Currently, I have this very large, complicated chart, but there's two instruments I want to draw your attention to. On the upper right is the Meerkat. It's the first part. It's in South Africa in the Karoo Desert. It's the first part of eventually 2,000 of these radio telescopes spread over southern Africa, which will eventually be called the Square Kilometer Array. The other telescope that kind of draw your attention to, on the bottom, the second one from the left, is the Chinese 500 meter, which is currently the world's largest radio telescope. And both of those are very interesting for our future study of life in the universe.